What if I told you there's a crypto project out there revolutionizing the way digital content is created? Imagine rendering Hollywood-level 3D graphics, video effects, and virtual experiences not on an expensive supercomputer, but through a decentralized network that's faster, cheaper, and scalable. Well, that's exactly what Render brings to the table. And it's not just hype, by the way. Apple, one of the biggest names in tech and business overall, is already using this technology. Now listen, I want you guys to stick around, and I'm going to show you why Render is my number 5 pick for top coins of 2025. Let's get it.
I'm not a financial advisor.
Welcome to BitBoy's, home of the Bit Squad, the highest IQ investors on the planet. Now, if you're here to learn how to dominate the crypto market, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, obviously, and hit that notification bell. Welcome back to you guys. Glad you found me. Trust me though, you guys don't want to miss a video today. We are diving into Render token and why it's number 5 on my top coins of 2025 list. Now, stick around to the very end to see how Render is powering a new era of digital creation and decentralization. So listen, let's go ahead and start with a very quick recap of my top coins of 2025 so far. At number 9, we got Polygon. They're leading Ethereum scaling, but more importantly, institutions own a lot of it, and they'll get their money back. They always do. At number 8, we have Filecoin, which is the backbone of decentralized storage, an absolutely huge and hot niche. At number 7, we got Tau, revolutionizing AI with blockchain. And at number 6, ICP, reshaping the internet itself. Now, if you missed those, check out the playlist above to catch up and see how our 2024 picks did. They crushed it. Nobody beats our picks, and the numbers show it every time. Now, at number 5, we're turning to Render token. It's a project that's making waves in decentralized graphics and rendering. Doesn't sound like a big deal? It is. Render token is built on a groundbreaking idea. Use the unused GPU power of contributors worldwide to create a decentralized rendering network. So whether you're a Hollywood filmmaker, 3D artist, or an indie game developer, you're gonna be able to access high performance rendering power without the high costs of traditional centralized solutions. And trust me, I've been playing with AI and servers, it is a lot. But you guys can think of Render as Uber for GPUs. You don't need a $50,000 rig to create professional grade graphics anymore. Render makes it accessible and possible. And what really sets Render apart is its real world adoption. Apple, yes, that Apple, has integrated a Render token into its ecosystem. With a company called Otoy's Octane Render software and Octane X, macOS users can tap into Render's decentralized GPU network for photorealistic 3D content. And this even got a spotlight at Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference. And listen, when Tim Cook's team features your tech, you know it's legit. Now, here's the kicker. Demand for decentralized rendering is absolutely exploding. Virtual reality, gaming, even NFTs, AI-powered content, they're all out there driving the need for high-performance rendering solutions. And Render is perfectly positioned to meet that demand, empowering creators and industries to scale their visions without limits. At its core, Render is about decentralization. Traditional rendering services, they are very expensive, very slow, and very limited by the physical hardware they run on. Render flips the script, turning a global GPU network into one massive supercomputer for making graphics. Powered by blockchain, Render ensures transparency, security, and scalability. And of course, guys, it's not just tech enthusiasts like us who are excited. Big names in the creative industry, well, they're endorsing Render. You may have heard of Beeple. He drew me once. He's the creator of $69 million NFT. He called it a game changer. You got NFT artist Stefan Matthews, who described Render as your best friend for tackling complex 3D projects without breaking the bank. When industry leaders are using your platform, you know it is the real deal. Absolutely, there's no question. Are you looking for a reliable crypto exchange with low fees and high security? The search can be overwhelming with so many options out there. Join Phemex using my affiliate link to get up to an $8,800 trading bonus right now. Experience top-notch trading features, low fees, and strong security. Click the link in the description to get started today. So, how does Render work? I know you guys are wondering that. Artists or companies submit their rendering jobs to the Render network. The network distributes these jobs to contributors who lend their GPU power. Contributors are rewarded in Render tokens. It's a win-win. affordable rendering for artists, and passive income for contributors. So let's talk about market potential. The global rendering market is projected to hit $7.96 billion by 2026. Render's decentralized approach gives it a competitive edge, perfectly positioning it to capture a significant share of this booming industry. Now, this is a project with real use cases, real demand, and real momentum. Now, some of you might be thinking, "Oh, BitBoy, isn't Render just for artists? I don't draw real good." Not at all. Render's potential goes beyond 3D graphics. Its decentralized GPU network is useful for machine learning, scientific simulations, and even AI model training. This makes Render a critical piece of overall Web3 infrastructure. But before we do, make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out on any of our trading content. If you guys want to trade Render token, Phemex is the place to do it. They're offering up to $30,000 in sign-up bonuses just for getting on the site and depositing. You guys can click the link down below in the description or scan the QR code on the screen to get started. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. But another incredible opportunity is buying Render. To recap, Render is revolutionizing digital content creation with its decentralized GPU network. It's not just for artists. It's for anyone who needs high-performance rendering power at just a fraction of the cost. With endorsements from Apple, industry leaders like Beeple, and a rapidly growing market, Render is a top-tier project with massive upside potential. That's why it's my number 5 pick of 2025. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think about Render token. Are you as bullish on Render as I am? And also, guys, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell for notifications. And click this playlist, by the way, to catch up on the other coins in my top 9 list of 2025. That's all I got. Be blessed. BitBoy out.